Alright, here are the products that I currently use. Let's get into my routine. Hey y'all, welcome to my shower. So first things first, I'm the realist. No, I'm just kidding. So I'm basically wetting all my hair down, getting it all nice and saturated. My hair is super thick, so it takes a minute to get it all saturated. I can't believe y'all are in the shower with me. I had to, crop some things out, of course. Look at the length. Like, what? Shrinkage is real, and that helps? Yes. Alright, so this is what I use. I use Head & Shoulders with a combo of the OGX Keratin shampoo together. I'm going to put this in my hair like you would normally wash, except I'm really just kind of placing it, and I do this twice. So I do a little bit of a scrub-a-dub-dub with my nails. I do it again, make sure everything has the shampoo on it. This right here. Oh, if you don't know about this scalp massager, y'all are missing out. So this is how I scrub in my shampoo. It's like this plastic thing, and I swirl it all around my hair. It feels so good. It's supposed to stimulate blood flow, really clean the scalp, and it doesn't tangle your hair like you think it would. Like, that was my fear. It's like literally the best $2 I've ever spent. I bought it on Sally's, in case you know. Rinsing out. Yeah. Might need to turn that back towards me. Let's try that again. I'm gonna make sure and rinse all of that shampoo out of my hair. I use the Head & Shoulders mixed with the OGX because I do tend to have a dry scalp, and when I use that by itself, it's too drying. So the combination is perfect. Now I just haphazardly split my hair. I'm gonna grab the Main Choice hair mask, Obsessed, thick consistency. First thing I do is just kind of put it all over, because I'm going to work in sections, and as I do so, the sections I'm not working in are going to dry out. So I like to add a bit of that conditioner first. Alright, so I'm going to start with some sections. Always back to front. Put that up. And because I pineapple my hair way too often, the underside of my hair tends to get way more tangled than everything else. So I have to really stop pineappling my hair so much. But I get lazy, y'all. So anyway, finger detangling. That conditioner has so much slip. I love it. I never, ever, ever put a brush or a comb through my hair when it's dry. Another great thing, a shower comb, wide tooth. Great $1 spent on Sally's. So starting from the bottom, working my way up, as you can see, this is tangled right here, so it's going to take me a minute. Oh, look at the length. God, I wish I would stay that way. I know that shrinkage is actually a sign of healthy hair. But what I wouldn't give to have it that long. So I'm going to do the rest of my hair. And we're back. The power of editing. Rawr! Ow! Fucking shit. Alright. Now, I didn't rinse out my hair yet. I'm going to put it up. I'm going to put it up in one of my dinosaur clips and throw on a shower cap. Yes, I know the shower cap doesn't quite fit, but it will do. And I let that sit while I do everything else I need to do. Now, you're going to see some breakage. You're going to have some hair falling out. That is completely normal. Don't freak out. We lose like 1,000 hairs a day or some shit like that. And I wash my hair once a week. Obviously now I am rinsing out the conditioner, the mask. Oh, excuse me, honey, I'm tired. Look at my hair. I've never been happier with my natural hair, you guys. Going natural was the best decision ever. Ever. Ah, fuck. Water in my mouth. Shampoo in my eyes. Oh, that's better. Make sure I get everything rinsed out. Yes, girl. Swing on here. Feeling myself. Alright, so I'm all done. I never dry my hair with a towel. It is really bad. Oh, hey, girl. For our type of hair, it dries it out. So I use an old t-shirt. Wrap it up. And I will let it air dry and go to the next steps, which will be the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!